Good afternoon, or morning, or evening, depending on when you watch this. Today we're on to lesson 3 of composite figures. What do we do to find a composite figure? First, what is a composite figure? It is a 2D shape that's made up of more than one shape. Now, what are the possible shapes we're going to be looking at? We're going to be looking at parallelograms. With those, you take the base times the height. So here's the base, here's the height, just like a rectangle. Triangle, you take half the height and the base. Okay, so right here, you know what the base is, you know what the height is, take a half of that. Trapezoid is this funky looking thing. You have a set of parallel sides, and then the other two sides are not parallel. It's four-sided. So this one, you take half the height. The height connects the parallel sides. They're called the bases, times the bases put together. So what this does, this averages the bases and it would make it a rectangle like this. Okay. Lastly, a circle. We've done circles before, so just be careful of semicircles. You just take half of those. Did we talk about rectangles? No, rectangle is length times width. That's not written here, but that is what it is. Area equals length times width, and width. It's the most basic of areas. So here we have, let me move my camera because I can't see it. I'd cut this right here. We have a square and a trapezoid. So square, 20 times 20 is 400 square inches. Okay, now the trapezoid is a little trickier. It's half the height. So all the way is 25. This part is 20, so that means this part has to be 5. That's the height. The bases put together are 13 and 20. This is 20, so this has to be 20. So 13 plus 20. Okay, so we do half times 5 times 33, and you get 82.5 inches squared. Add that to the square, 482.5 inches squared. All right. What do we got here? So here we have a rectangle and a triangle. Same basic principle. Rectangle's easy, 12 times 15. I think that's 180. Let's check. 180. Now the triangle, the base is here and the height is here. The height's pretty easy. It's 4, so you do half times 4, which is 2, times the base, which is 15. So that's 30. 30 for the triangle, 180 for the rectangle, 210 feet squared altogether. Now, if you have shaded region problems, so what this is when you take something like right here, let's talk about it. My camera's flying everywhere. Okay, so I want to know this shaded region. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the total area. I'm going to take away whatever's inside of it that I need to get rid of. So we're going to do 42 times 25 minus 20 times 22. And you get 610 meters squared for this area there. It's the same basic principle on any of these. Here you're going to find the rectangle and triangle. Here you're going to find the rectangle and then take away the triangle. Or you could just do a trapezoid in that case. Whatever it is, take your time, find the shapes, and follow the formulas. It's all about the formulas. Any questions, see me in class, message me on Canvas or email. Do whatever it takes to dominate this lesson.